Hello my fellow creators, this is Yvette and I am a part of the Not2Shabby Shop design team. Today I'm going to be making some cards using some of the beautiful paper and ephemera from this month's box of the month. Alrighty, so I am using the December 2024 Sheetload of Cards sketch. I'm not going to make the full 8 cards though, I'm going to make 4. So I know this sketch calls for 12 by 12 paper, but you can make it work with 6 by 6 paper, which is what I'm going to do. So let's get started by choosing which papers I'm going to use. And they're all so pretty. It's kind of hard to choose. So let's kind of pick through here, and then I will kind of decide what I want for my cards. I really like that one. I mean, I really like all of them. I'm trying to see which ones have a nice pattern on the back. So we'll do 2 pink and 2 red, okay? How about that? Okay, and again, this is the Love Cats. And so using the Sheetload guide, I will get 1 card out of each 6 by 6 piece of pattern paper. 5 1/4 by 3/4 of an inch. So let me do the 5 1/4 first. So we'll do 5 1/4 this way. Set that aside, and then we'll do 3/4 of an inch, and then another 3/4 of an inch, and then this piece is at 4 inches. So these are the 2 strips I'll have left as scraps. So I'll definitely use at least one of them for the inside of the card. And so let me cut the rest of my papers, and then we can get started assembling our card.
Would you be my Valentine? Would you be?
Alrighty, so now I'm pretty sure I'm going to just use the reverse side of each one. So it would go this way. And then here's our red with the red glitter. And this will have the pink glitter. See, I think that looks great. Now what I do need is I could use a circle, or I could just use maybe the larger pieces of ephemera. So let's take a peek at our ephemera here. Because you can always adapt these sketches. That's what I love about sketches. They're a great jumping off point. But you can use what we have. For example, I could use just this large gift ephemera and maybe the I love you sentiment here. That would be cute. Instead of cutting out that circle that is called for on the sketch. So let's kind of go through these and see what we have as options. And there's some cute ephemera here. Look at that one. Maybe that one, because it kind of goes with the images on the back. And I can leave a sentiment off and add it later, or I can add the I love you there. And I want to do kind of something different on each one. Let me see. And of course you can always kind of collage your ephemera. So for example, here I can put like these 3 pieces. I think those look cute together there, right? And then here, I kind of want to do some hearts. Let's see. Maybe a kitty cat with a heart. How's that? I like that one. That looks cute, right? Now, do I want to put the sentiment on each of them, or do I want to leave a sentiment off? kind of like them with a sentiment on there. So that's what I'm going to do. Now let me gather my ephemera and put this away before I lose pieces. And actually, I might put a little piece of ephemera on the inside of the card too. So let me see, I can put a little envelope on the inside of that one, a little heart maybe, or a little kitty on the inside of that one. Let me see what else I have. Maybe the two kitties on the inside. Oh no, vice versa. A little kitty on that one, the two kitties on that one, and a little gift on this one, kind of to coordinate with what's on the front of the card. Okay, well, we'll put these away. Then you also need a piece of cardstock behind here. So that piece is cardstock 1, and it should be cut at 5 1/4 by 1 7/8. So let me get my 5 1/4 cut here, and then I might just go at 2, just for easier cutting for me. Okay. And I need 4 of these, so 5 1/4, and I am using the black because I think that contrasts well with the pink and the red. In fact, I might just use a black card base as well. Alrighty, so we should probably start assembling our cards now. So I kind of want to go in mass production, kind of assembly line style, in an assembly line style. So I will put this off to the side, kind of remembering which one goes where. These go here, these go here, and I can start assembling my cards. So let me play a little bit of music as I put my cards together.
Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Tree, the last weekend of summer, the empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Praying to find the right one when the time is right. tree. The last weekend of summer, the empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Pray to find the right one when the time is right.
Alright friends, here are my 4 completed cards using the Love Cats patterned paper and coordinating ephemera from Not2Shabby's December 2024 box of the month, as well as the December 2024 Sheetload of Cards sketch. Now, didn't they turn out cute? Let's take a quick look at each of them. Here's this one with a little single kitty with his bow tie, so cute. And then we have the matching smaller ephemera on the inside. And then this one has our 2 little kitties in a heart. So I added an envelope, a gift, and a heart with a lock on it, you know, for someone that holds the key to your heart. And then a little envelope on the inside as well. And these I love you sentiments were also part of that ephemera pack, by the way. And then we have our 2 little cats here. And then the smaller version of that same ephemera on the inside. And then last but not least, we have these little cats on the red. And I added a little gift to match with the gift on the outside. And doesn't the black just help those papers pop? I'm glad I went with the black card base. I think it was a good decision. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Worthiness to be the perfect lover. Would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Pray to find the right one when the time is right. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? summer.